had a very pleasant tour of Intramuros with Doms, our guide for the morning. Doms met us at our hotel. The traffic in Manila is horrendous and travel to Intramuros from a hotel near the airport took more than an hour and then same to return. Doms was very knowledgeable regarding the history of the Philippines and Manila. We did not see other areas due to time limitations caused by the traffic and our preference for a relaxed tour. Doms was very helpful and responded to our requests, and accompanied us back to our hotel. Jonas is an incredible tour guide. He was on time and was an encyclopedia of knowledge about the Philippines, and every historical site that we went to because of a physical restriction. We were not able to walk very far and he was able to modify the tour to accommodate us. I would recommend everyone ask specifically for Jonas because he is the best. We very much enjoyed the 3-hour tour with our guide Jo Marie. We learned a lot about the history and we also had a great time. Jo Marie made the tour interesting and joyful. He is knowledgeable and friendly. We highly recommend this tour. Alvin was an incredible guide and was super knowledgeable about Manila and the Philippines. We learned so much from him and we were blessed he was our guide. Would highly recommend this tour. The Masons. Pearlie's guide is excellent and gives great advice on other things to do in Manila. Besides the historic center, she took us to another place we wanted to visit on our own and dropped us off right at the door. The guide was very friendly, and the tour met our expectations. Highly recommended. The guide contacted us the day before to best organize our visit. It was okay. My guide was very nice and made it interesting. Unfortunately, it's far too expensive. Not worth it. You can get it cheaper locally.